Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to know if someone only sent you a Snapchat. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is check notification. If someone sends you a snap, a photo or video, you'll receive a notification saying, new snap from a username instead of a chat notification. A snap notification will look different from a chat message notification. Second step is to look for the snap indicator. Open Snapchat and check the chat screen. If the person has only sent you a snap, you will see a colored icon, red, purple, or blue, next to their name. Red is for a photo snap without sound, and purple, a video snap with sound, and for color blue is only a chat message. If you see a red or purple icon, but not a blue one, they have only sent you a snap and not a message. Now for the third step, check the chat conversation. Open the conversation with the person. If there are no chat messages and only a snap waiting to be opened, this confirms that they have only sent you a snap. After opening the snap, if no chat messages appear below, it means they didn't send a text or a voice message. For step number 4 is to look at the timestamp. After viewing a snap, you can check the timestamp under their name to see when that snap was sent. If there are no chat messages after the snap, they only sent the snap. For the last step is to review snap history. Once you've opened a snap, it disappears unless it's replayable. If there's no new messages or snap after that, then the person has only sent you a snap. So by using these methods, you can easily tell if someone has sent you only a snap on Snapchat without any accompanying chat messages. And that's all for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye.